though. Kind of stick handled it out of his own stick. Puts it out front. Good chance by Gilbert. Emmett up to the line. Nice job by Sam Gilbert. Carter shoots. Good save by Cash Sink. Wesley Tabor down into the corner. Puts out front. Shot. I think this is Felix. Out to Tal. Tal, oh, shoots it just back to the point. Back to Tal. Tal's got two guys on him. Cooper Gregg with it. Cooper through traffic. Zach Shea just doesn't quite get possession for a guy who's right on him. Shea loses his stick. Tal fires it in there. Cash Sink with the glove save. For O'Brien. O'Brien gains the zone, gets tripped. Call coming. Emmett takes the penalty. So that negates the power play. Our guy goes off. We're still a little while from getting our fifth man into the play here. Rolling with the post save. Gets to the center. Shot. Open the slot. Makes two saves. Horncastle back to the post. Ray Durling gets the shot through. Save. Closes it. Nolan finds it. Puts it into the middle. Shot. Goal! Tal Lockery. Holy, he can shoot it from anywhere and get it in. Cash had that whole net protect. Hero Nate Adair's got it. Nate throws it onto the net. Brendan Rankin chases him down. Shot through a lot of traffic. Nolan finds it. Shot. Ray Durling on the doorstep. Rebound again. Very similar to the first goal. Ray Durling with a hard shot. Puck comes off him. Guy's there for the rebound. Goal. He's got Shea Williams to get past. Gets up for number 11 right on the doorstep. Nolan eats it up. Back to the line for Durling. Durling, hard shot. Rebound again. Hard to control that Durling shot. Face off down in their zone. 2 minutes, 23 seconds remaining. They've moved Tal out to the wing. They have Emmett Tabor playing center. They have Landon Rankin out there. The lines have been changed up. We've pulled our goalie with 2 minutes left. Blake McLean going for the shot. That looks pretty on target. Blake McLean with an excellent shot. Goes down the length of the ice. Gets the open netter. 3-1. Gets it up. Emmett Tabor. Shot. Goal. Emmett Tabor. We might want to pull the goalie again. 3-2 up. Cooper leaves it for Tal. Clear penalty. Game. Plays it up. No time left to operate. That's it. The Blizzard will carry on for tomorrow. They'll have a crossover game against the other half.